Hi guys, my name is Perry. I'm here at Just Ford of Pullman. Behind me, I have two F-350s with two different stick 7s. All right guys, so right behind me, I have the 2023 Super Duty with the normal 6.7 in it. It's mated to the 10-speed automatic transmission. It's gonna give you 475 horsepower, 1050 foot-pounds of torque. For the towing specs, if you do conventional towing, depending on how you load the vehicle out, the long box, short box, different axle ratios, you'll be right around that 23,000 with the bumper pull. And if you do gooseneck, anywhere from 20 to 23,000, depending on what kind of configurations you go with the long box, short box, or the rear axle ratio. So this is the 2023 Super Duty with the 6.7 high output. It's going to give you 500 horsepower and a class-leading 1,200 foot-pounds of torque. So for towing on the 6.7 high output, you're going to be right around that 23,000 pounds on the bumper pull. Where you're going to see a difference is gooseneck. Depending on how the vehicle is loaded out, you can get all the way up to the 27,000 pounds of towing on it with the gooseneck. On any Super Duty, the main thing that you're going to have is gross vehicle weight rating. If you get a higher gross vehicle weight rating, you can do a lot more on towing than what a truck with less of a gross vehicle weight rating on it. Obviously, packages are going to be another thing. If it's a higher package, you're going to lose a little bit on towing and the gross vehicle rating as well. What I've seen in my experience is a lot of people have been ordering the 6.7 high output because they want to future-proof themselves. So let's say down the line, you end up needing to tow that 27,000 pounds. What do you do at that point? Do you go buy a new rig, or do you buy a rig that can do that in the future if you need? Another neat thing on the Super Duties, on the 6.7s, is they're gonna have a red emblem on the side with the 6.7 Power Stroke emblem. All right guys, in driving the two different Super Duties, you're not going to notice a difference when you're not towing anything. You might notice a little bit more torquey on the 6.7 high output, but where you're going to see the difference is when you're actually towing a trailer. That's when you're going to notice that extra 150 foot-pounds of torque. Other than that, they're going to drive pretty much identical. Another thing is the 6.7 high output is about $2,400 more than just the normal 6.7, but it does future-proof your truck. So if you ever down the line you need to tow that extra little bit of weight, you will be able to with that 6.7 high output. So some of the people that are going to be able to benefit from that 6.7 high output are going to be farmers, construction workers, anybody that really needs to tow their trailer with a gooseneck or a fifth wheel. Thank you for watching me go over the two different 6.7s that you can get. My name is Perry, and I'm here at Just Ford of Pullman. Like and subscribe. It's a little bit harder than what it was out there.